Hi friends, now today are going to learn some forms in HTML, okay, uh, through which you will come to know how to create labels, text box as well as submit, okay. Right, I have clicked on try it yourself, okay, you got it now. From try it yourself I got this code. I just run here and I will get the output here, okay. Here I can run and get the output here, okay. Right, so how to create the form? Till now you have created ordinary HTMLs where you edit texts, insert images, you insert tables, and so on. Okay, you create order list, you create unorder list, etc., etc., etc. Okay, now we are going to learn some forms. Okay, forms are nothing but you make interface with you with some tools in it like labels, text boxes, as you are able to see here. I will just show you through this mouse button. Okay, these HTML forms, mm, we have this HTML form with the text box, labels, and submit button. Okay, right. See how actually it will works. See HTML tag, as usual we know that HTML start with and ending with the HTML tag, and no heading, no head, no title here. See here, directly to the body. Okay, in this way also you can do it, no problem. Now that is optional. If you do it, it will display its name on the browser, right, on this HTML head. Okay, if you don't do it, it will not. Okay, now you are directly into body. The h2, what it will do, it is a heading that is displayed. You can here you can see it. Okay, now directly I'll go to forms. Forms are two types: action form with action post method, okay, and action page. Okay, so action page.php is one which it will interact with when you put some action on this page, like by clicking on submit, it will go to action page.php, right? Okay, no issue. I will explain you detail. It just by clicking on you just know this, that on clicking on submit button it will go to action page php, right? That's it. So this is a form of action with to certain page. That's it. And there are also some post methods also there. Okay, action post method is also there, that I will explain you later. Just it's a simple example we have shown here. Okay, I am creating a label for f name. So label for f name is just a reference. Okay, so first name is the label, okay, which is displayed here, you can see here. Okay, and I'm close the label. Label is started with some attribute for f name, and slash label is the ending the label, right? So br tag will go to next line. Okay, so it had went to next line here. So input type, another input type is text, and its id is f name. F name is the name of the text box. Okay, so id is this identifier. So this text box identification is done by f name. Okay, no problem. So name is f name. This text name is name f name. Okay, a value I have given with a space. Okay, next the br. Next, I put another label last name. Similarly, I put it for the text last name, and value. Please note, value is empty here. It's also empty here. Okay, right. So I close the form. No, before that I have to input type. I have to go for input type submit. Then the value on this button is also should also submit. Okay, that's why it's showing here. Okay, now I'll go to run this now. What it will come, it will go to action page.php showing. See, if I run this, it will come, and after submitting, it is showing submit form data. Your input has received as first name Nallo, last name Nallo. Okay, I will run it again once again. Okay, now I got the form again. Now I enter some values. VGFGC. CS. Okay. Now I'll click on submit. So what I've got? See here. First name VGFGC and last name CS. Okay. So thus you will get the actions submitted to the action page.php, just you have seen here. Okay. This is how we do with forms. Okay, thus you can input forms like radio buttons, input like drop down buttons, mm, check boxes. Okay, thus you can do with the forms. Okay.